Bathandi bomgosi, akuboshwa eMzansi, ziyakhala impela. Every day we wake up with a new scatter of someone being arrested and we keep on saying, yo. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Bathandi bomgosi, Katlego Lerotla, the city manager of Elukureni, has been arrested allegedly, Bathandi bomgosi, with links of corruption. Yo, nana way. Bathandi bomgosi, it is stated that allegedly the money that Katlego was looting from the city of Elukureni, he was using it to sponsor three of his baddies Mzansi, which is Mahu, Sitelo Shozi, and Cyan Abuchi, allegedly. But recently, we've seen Usayan celebrating that she purchased her first apartment, actually her first house, but which cost her 10 million rands. That on its own raised an alarm because people were questioning ukuthi uSisayan uyithathaphi imali engaka. Others saying that she was having gigs in December. Others are saying that she's an influencer and all of that. But at the end of the day, Batsari, it did not actually make any sense on how she managed to buy a 10 million house cash. Well, we congratulated and life went on until these rumors circulated the internet that it is alleged that her lifestyle it is funded by Okatlego Lerutla, the city manager of Elikuruleni, Batsari, and he has been using the money that he was looting from the city and buying luxury cars and of course houses for these three baddies allegedly, but and if you're gonna go back to one of the podcasts that Usayan Puchi once had, she spoke about how her and of course Usitelo Shozi shared a man without them knowing, and how that man paid for Sitelo's BBL and also financed Usayan's Puchi lifestyle. But these two women or ladies, they never knew about this man that they were actually sharing. But kuningi. As for Mahu being caught up in these shenanigans, I sham guningi, because now we are asking ourselves what is happening out there. Are these ladies really hustling or they're being assisted? Kwenzakalani bathanda bomkhosi? Hayi shem kuningi. The story, it does not end there, bathanda bomkhosi. It is further alleged that in 2021, Ukatlego Lerutla was involved in a tragic car accident after he was speeding his car. And during that accident, unfortunately, a life was lost, allegedly. So before any help could get there, a tow truck company arrived first, allegedly. And once the tow car truck arrived, it was stated that Ukatlego Lerutla offered to give the tour guys 10,000 to get rid of the body and basically wipe off all the evidence. And all of this, it is actually happening now. Hayi ziyakhala impela, ziyakhala left, right and center. Akho bedi elisafe, akho blesser elisafe, akho business personnel or safe at this point, because the SIU is busy, but ayilalanga, it is investigating, trying to figure out what is happening to the country's funds. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Bye.